Do not spray that on the marble countertop. Don't do it. Don't do it. She did it. After cleaning professionally for over 20 years, I am the first person who would love to cut some corners and find ways to clean faster and more thoroughly. But the truth about cleaning hacks is that so many are either ineffective, wasteful, or dangerous to you and the surfaces you're cleaning. For the record, I think there are a lot of really great ones out there, and I have many that I use and teach to my students, but the majority of them are just plain silly. In fact, there's one product in particular that I see hyped all the time as the ultimate miracle cleaner, and that's vinegar. Some cleaners say you should use it on everything, from your toilet bowl brush to your hardwood floors to your marble countertops. But here is the truth about vinegar. While it can kill up to 80% of germs, it requires 30 minutes of dwell time to get to that 80%. So simply applying vinegar to a surface for a few seconds or even a few minutes for the purpose of disinfecting means it's basically doing nothing. It might smell and look good, but that surface isn't any safer than before. Even when used to its fullest potential, it cannot kill Salmonella, E. coli, flu-like viruses, or even mold and mold spores. What vinegar can do is help you wipe away grease, grime, and hard water stains. And since you can also put it in your salads, it does make it a green cleaning product. But it won't do anything useful for that toilet bowl brush. Over time, it can strip the finish off of hardwood floors even when diluted with water, and it will etch marble surfaces to the point that a professional would need to be called in to restore them, which could cost thousands of dollars. So do I use vinegar in cleaning? Every day. But in the end, it's about knowing where and when to use what products. That is the key to cleaning safely, properly, and effectively. So the next time you see a cleaning hack, ask yourself 4 basic questions. What was this product actually designed for? What are the hazards of using this product outside of that design? How long does it need to sit or dwell to do its job? And 4, what does proven science say? If you've learned something in this video, please be sure to hit that like button as it really helps me out, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy cleaning. I can't believe they sprayed that on the marble countertop. Like, it's ruined. You're gonna have to go hire a professional, and it's gonna cost at least $1,000 to fix that.